Now, as I briefly talked about earlier, why in the world would you want to do this? And the reason is, if you're able to do all your expenses and all your move completely by yourself under the amount that you're going to be allowed by the government, then all that money that you have left over is going to be kept in your pocket, meaning that that profit is all going to be for you. Now, keep in mind that at the end of the tax year, that stuff is actually going to be taxable. So this is where you play it smart and deduct all your operating expenses and every single cost that you have during that move. Now, I say to keep track of all the costs, but some of the stuff is not going to be reimbursable. So, for the most part, everything that's only a one-time use item, such as packing materials, your U-Haul rental, things like that you're only going to use once, are going to be counting towards your operating expenses. So, for example, if you buy, let's say, a dolly that you're going to use to load and unload stuff, it's going to be able to be used more than once. So that most likely is not going to be able to count towards your operating expenses. Now, I say all that again because you're going to be able to deduct all of those expenses that you have at the end of the year so you don't get charged on taxes for that. It's also important to keep in mind that you're going to have to pay all those costs up front. So if you're not in a good financial position to have all that stuff paid, then you might want to reconsider what type of PPM you do. So please, please, please do a budget and list out every single cost that you're going to have based off of the type of PPM you're going to do, and then look at how much you're going to be getting paid at the end of the move and deduct those two to see if you're going to come out on top and give yourself some wiggle room too.